I'm Sabine Marcelis, a designer from Rotterdam, the Netherlands. And for this presentation in Milan, I've created, together with Solid Nature, a bathroom, but a bathroom more interpreted as a sculpture. So the approach was really to not think of it as a room, but more as an object that has all the functionings you would find in a bathroom, all together in one. Naturally, I'm really drawn to the onyxes out of the library of Solid Nature's stones because they have this beautiful translucency to them. The bathroom is a composition of different volumes meeting each other, and each volume has a specific function. And in those intersections where the volumes come together, the onyx plays a really important role with letting the light through in these corners to create these delicate moments of illumination. This is what's also really interesting for me because I'm used to working more with resin and glass, where I have absolute control over the material and I can shape it and treat it exactly how I want. But with onyx and natural stone, the material has its own identity and its own drawings. So you really need to figure out exactly where you position it because it has a total different outcome depending on where each drawing is placed. Each slab is unique, so that's really nice because in a way then you're having like a collaboration with nature. You already have this beautiful material, and how do you then shape this into a volume so that the best of it comes out and is highlighted? The picking of the stone was a really important part of the process because even though from a singular block of the pink onyx, each slab has a very different characteristic. The drawings can vary from quite wild to more subtle. And when working with these volumes coming together, it was important to get the right balance of subtlety, but still with an intense nature behind it. One thing that we discovered when selecting the stone is that when certain drawings are very present in the material, you lose the depth of the object. So the onyx and the form language really have to support each other and highlight each other. It's been a real pleasure working with Solid Nature because they are amazing craftsmen and really understand the details and what make a project successful. This object is about expressing the beauty of natural stone, and the pink onyx has such a presence. We're going loud and big with this bathroom, but at the same time there is a softness to it. It's really special to be here in Alcova to present this artwork and showcase the potential and beauty of natural stone like this.